In a secluded village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Orin. Orin was known for his boundless curiosity and unyielding spirit. Despite being surrounded by people who were content with their simple lives, Orin dreamt of exploring the world beyond the mountains. One day, while gazing at the distant peaks, Orin met an old traveler who shared tales of adventures, dangers, and distant lands. The traveler's stories ignited a fire within Orin. His heart swelled with a longing for adventure and a desire to tackle whatever challenges lay ahead. Motivated by the traveler's words, Orin embarked on a journey to climb the tallest mountain, a feat no one from his village had dared to attempt. Every great journey begins with a single step, the traveler had told him. With only a small bag of supplies and his determination, Orin set out. As he ascended, the terrain became more daunting. Sharp winds and treacherous paths tested his resolve. But with every obstacle, Orin remembered the traveler's words, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." These quotes carried him through moments of doubt and fear. When Orin finally reached the peak, the world spread out before him in an endless panorama of beauty. Looking down at the village he once called his entire world, Orin realized how far he'd come, both in distance and in his own personal growth. The journey taught Orin that challenge is the catalyst for transformation, and that true strength lies in overcoming adversity. As he made his way back to the village, he carried with him newfound wisdom and motivation to inspire others. Orin's adventure became a source of motivation for his fellow villagers, proving that one inspired person could spark change. His journey, marked by inspirational quotes, resonated with many. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. In sharing his story and the powerful quotes that guided him, Orin reminded everyone that within the heart of every great challenge lies the opportunity to discover who we truly are. His legacy was more than just the climb, it was in the motivation he kindled within others to pursue their own mountains.